morning on Dream Street. So early, Buddy and Tech are still sleeping.
Electric elephant.
Buddy and Tech are awake now. Well, Rodney's new air horn has made sure of that.
Who's turned the lights on? What? It's Rodney! Naughty, naughty boy!
Oh dear, the gossips are awake too. But the sleeping policemen, they're far too good at sleeping.
Come on! Wake up, sleeping sausages!
Rodney, what's all that noise?
Oh, Daisy, nothing. It's just my new air horn. Isn't it great?
Yes, it's very loud.
Oh, yes, isn't it?
Okay, enough. Use it sensibly, please.
Yeah, Daisy, I will.
Promise?
Oh, all right. I promise to use my air horn sensibly.
Do you think Daisy is right to trust Rodney?
Oh, Jack?
Hi, Rodney. Wow, is that an air horn?
Yes, it's the only one in Dream Street. Go on, have a closer look.
Can I?
Look really closely.
Oh, it sure is great.
Oh, what fun! Rodney's air horn makes Jack airborne. Aren't I clever?
Rodney is definitely not to be trusted.
Oh, get off! Oh, it's raining jackhammers. How awful.
Finally, back on the ground.
Oh, you silly springerling. Watch where you're bouncing. You made me red in the face.
Sorry, it wasn't my fault. It was Rodney's air horn.
I got you, Jack.
Rodney is so naughty. And now he's teasing Half-Pint.
Rodney, are you copying me? Oh, stop it.
Well, why should I, Half-Pint?
Because you broke your promise to me that you'd be sensible.
Oh, drat. I've been busted.
So seeing as you can't be trusted, Rodney, I'm going to have to take your air horn.
Ow!
Daisy has got the sleeping policeman to guard the air horn. They're not very alert, are they? Someone's taking the air horn. Who could it be?
Sleeping policeman, attention! Where's the air horn?
Out there. We must have nodded off. I don't remember falling asleep.
Rodney must have taken it.
Oh, so what am I supposed to have done now?
You know very well what you've done. Where's the air horn, Rodney?
But Rodney doesn't know. He didn't take it.
So if you didn't take it, then who did? Hot air?
Oh, Hot Air loves Rodney's air horn. He wants it all for himself.
Hi, Hot Air. What's that you've got there?
Electric elephants. Hot Air thinks Rodney's air horn is his best friend.
I bet Rodney didn't give it to him either.
Daisy has caught up with Hot Air and is telling him that the air horn belongs to Rodney.
Come on, Hot Air.
Yeah, come on. Give it back, you big bag of raspberries.
Shush, Rodney. You're not helping things. Hot Air.
Oh, my lovely air horn. Thanks very much, Hot Air.
Oh, but Hot Air looks upset. He wants an air horn of his own.
Oh, come on, hot air. Don't look like that. It's just a horn. Oh. Here you are, hot air. You can have it, I suppose.
Rodney, that was lovely of you to share with hot air.
Daisy and
What's Buddy up to, I wonder?
That's perfect, Buddy. See you soon.
Buddy and Tech are all set to help Rodney and Hot Air get into the spirit of sharing.
What's the time, Buddy?
It's magic time!
Online and feeling fine.
Buddy races back to Peekaboo Park, his magic ray gun at the ready.
All set, Daisy.
Great, Buddy. Rodney, seeing as you've been so grown up, Buddy has a treat for you.
Here goes. Ready, aim, magic! Ta-da!
An air horn each.
Oh, extra great.
But use them sensibly, please.
Oh, yes, we will.
We promised to help children get streetwise.